If you're an engineer like everyone else, you need to watch this video. Because today I'm going to show you why the tech job market is fluctuating, how you can ride out this storm, and exactly what to do to secure your role for years to come. Remember 2010, 2020? Software developer jobs grew 57% for applications and 72% for systems roles. More than twice of the overall job market. Its occupations were forecast to expand 11 to 17% through 2033. Again, roughly double average growth, fueling free food, game rooms, and sky-high salaries. TechCrunch. 2024 added another 150,000 cuts, and in early 2025, nearly 30,000 more jobs vanished in just 3 months. But layoffs only tell half the story. AI is doing the other half. Here's how we secured our job. First, we accepted that AI is here to stay, so we stopped fearing it and started learning it. We explored tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney to boost our productivity instead of resisting change. Then, we specialized. While AI is great with data, we focused on what makes us human: creativity, empathy, and real-world experience. We built a personal brand by sharing our work online, making sure opportunities could find us. And, most importantly, we never stopped learning. Online courses, YouTube tutorials, and AI communities helped us stay ahead. Remember, AI won't replace you, however someone using AI might. So, adapt, evolve, and make AI your ally, not your enemy. Subscribe for more future-proof tips.